Hey guys, if you're thinking about riding a motorcycle or you're new to riding a motorcycle, my channel is full of great tips for you. But today I wanted to share something else that you might not know. By the end of this video, you're going to know 3 things
Uno, dos, tres.
that nobody has ever told you about owning and or riding a motorcycle. Let's hit the road and I will tell you about these 3 things.
I love it when you couscous. Aphrodite, Ventus, Chaos, Dionysus, Hera, Hermes, Icarus, Narcissus, Medusa, Ephesus, Ashalalala, Sisus, Minerva,
Feet are kind of slippery after leaving the car wash there. That's fun. Hopefully the tires aren't the same way. That could be a problem. But tires feel pretty good. For the first thing nobody ever tells you about riding a motorcycle is that you can't trigger stoplights. So the lights will cycle red, green to go straight, for example, while you sit to turn left in a turn lane. Eventually you have to do something. So you can get out and push the crosswalk button. You can make a series of turns to try and avoid that intersection. You can reroute so you don't ever go that way again. Or you can do like the rest of us and just run the light after 2 or 3 cycles. I'm just kidding, we don't run the light. Wink. I'm not sure how the stoplight signals work, if it's how much metal your bike has in it or how much it weighs. But regardless, it doesn't always work for motorcycles, especially smaller motorcycles. And that is something you have to plan for. So if you live in a newer city where everything works perfect and it's all brand new, then that's one thing. But if you live like where I live and it's out in the country and these streets are, I don't know, 80 years old or whatever they are, then it's something to think about. I don't ever wash my bike at a car wash like I just did. I did that more so for the visual purposes of YouTube because I've seen other people do that. I'm not quite sure it's as effective as washing it at home. I always worry these people aren't going to look when they pull out. I'm not trying to be a casualty of the motorcycle riding community. I'm trying to be safe. I want everybody to be safe. See, like that. I almost just died. Always assume the worst. And then you won't be disappointed. Stay there in your lane. There you go. Yep. I'm a firm believer, after traveling the country and living in multiple states, that Texas has the least amount of drivers paying attention. We'll phrase it that way. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are from different states, you think your drivers are worse. Everybody says they think they have the worst drivers, but I don't know. I've been to many states, and I'm pretty confident saying Texas has the worst drivers. Not to say everybody in Texas can't drive, but there is a high percentage of them. It almost makes it easier to ride a motorcycle in Texas because you just assume nobody can drive. In other states, you get complacent. And then all of a sudden you get hit by a bad driver. Here, they're all bad drivers. All of them. All right, haircut's done. For the second thing that you probably didn't know about riding a motorcycle, we're gonna go to Tai.
The second thing nobody told you about is that it does take longer to go anywhere on your bike than a car, because by the time you have driven your car down the street, you would probably be putting on your helmet, your glasses, your gloves, your shoes, your jacket, backpack, sunscreen, but you will ride in style and at lightning speed, and that counts for something.
The third and final thing that nobody told you about riding a motorcycle is going to be brought to you by Kaitlyn.
The third thing no one tells you about riding a motorcycle is that you can get dirty. Look at the puppies. It's a Friday night and you're on your way to the movies to meet up with some friends, and you just show up pelted with soot, bug guts, maybe some rain you didn't anticipate. But riding at night is especially fun because that's when the bugs for sure come out. Hi, Zeke. I know. You get hit in the face and just in the chest, all over with bug guts because of they're going for your headlights, but they miss. Me being a backpack, I am saved by Mike because he gets the brunt of the bug guts. But if you don't want to be covered head to toe with bug guts, hit with rocks, maybe catch a little bit of rain every now and then riding might not be for you. But if you're someone who can handle looking like you just got off a horse, then you can handle the business.
Despite these three things, I still wouldn't trade it for anything. I still love riding a motorcycle, and if there's anything else you guys want to know about riding a motorcycle, or the nuances of riding a motorcycle, owning a motorcycle, riding on the back of a motorcycle, I'm here to help. Leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Good times.